Bill McCoy was the first person in January of 1920 to fill a boat full of rum down in the Caribbean and sail it up to New York City, acting as a floating liquor store 3 miles offshore. He maintained a high standard of quality, and that's why he and his product became known around the world as the Real McCoy. Today, the Real McCoy is made at the Foursquare Distillery on the Caribbean island of Barbados. The Real McCoy is a traditional Barbados rum, produced by blending rum from a 2-column coffee still with rum from a copper pot still. This gives the Real McCoy its balanced flavor profile. Our 5-year rum is soft and balanced, with hints of vanilla, toasted caramel, honey, and bourbon-aged wood. It is recognized around the world as a truly exceptional rum. For anyone looking for a flavor-forward, handcrafted, barrel-aged rum, the Real McCoy rum delivers the goods. This rum lives up to its name. It actually is the Real McCoy.